We got a little break in the weather out here in Western Washington, so I decided to call my friend Jason here. Funny story about Jason. You know, when people are walking by my yard and I'm out there working and I'm like tearing it up or just doing whatever I'm doing, I have a bad habit of people will walk by and say, "Oh, hey, how you doing? Looks like you got a lot of work going on there." And I'll say, "Oh, yeah, you're just in time to help me out. Grab a shovel. I got an extra one right over there." And, they kind of look at me kind of funny and, laugh and all that kind of stuff. And, I said that to this guy. He's riding by on his bike and he said, "Hey, how you doing?" And I said, "Oh, hey, great. You showed up, just in time to help out, man." And he jumped off his bike and, I'm out there ripping the sod out of my yard here. And he jumped off his bike and came in and started helping, and I was like, "Oh man, I was just kidding, man." He's like, "No, man, I'll help you out. You got a lot of work going on here. I don't have any problem doing that." So, this guy, ever since I yanked that sod out, we became friends, and, he helps me out. I help him out. It's a really cool relationship we got going on. So, I called him up and asked him if he would come over and help me pull these stumps out here. Like I said, we had a break in the weather here, so I jumped in to start these projects I got going on. I have too many projects this year, and I'll never get them all done. But this is one of my most important projects: getting these stumps out and adding grass. I just really am tired of these trees here. They're fruit trees, and they were great at a time, but now they're just so messy. In fall they drop so many leaves, so I just wanted to get them out. So Jason came over, and I really appreciate his help. I mean, this guy's got a lot of energy, much more than I do, and he works faster and harder than I do, and I just appreciate everything he does to help me out. So he comes over and he helps me out on projects from time to time. So you may see him in a few videos this year. Thanks again, Jason, for the help. We got real lucky with the weather. It was only chilly out. It wasn't too terrible, but it was a little cold. So we worked on getting these stumps out. I had this post here. I used to have a chicken coop here in my backyard, and tore that out a while ago. So that was just kind of a post that's been standing there. I actually used it to kind of hold up some of those branches on that fruit tree. It was a peach tree. So this rhododendron right here, this has been here longer than I've owned this house. So almost 20 years I've been here, and I didn't think it was going to be that difficult, but oh my God, this thing, it really gave us some problem. This root ball here, we finally got it loose, and we're trying to pull it out. It was so heavy. So we got a rope, and we just, did everything we could to get it out of the hole there. And it was quite the work. Anyways, this project here is going to take me till, the temperatures rise enough to get my grass seed to germinate. So I've got a couple of weeks to get this done. So yeah, we basically broke that root apart into pieces and got it up out of there into the wheelbarrow and off to the dump pile. Well, actually the yard waste pile. So here's our last tree we're yanking out right here. I was debating on whether to pull this tree out or not. It was kind of leaning, and it's a little close to the house. So, Jason, said, "Hey, you want to yank this out?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and do it." So we yanked this tree out, going to plant some grass in there, and that was kind of preventing some of the grass seed from growing in that area because of the shade it provides. So we got this project done. Nobody got hurt, so everything's good, and we're going to go ahead and continue on and get on to the next project. Appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Check everything out. Thank you. Thanks again for watching.